We all face challenges at work, in school, or in our personal lives. And sometimes it feels like our creativity and problem-solving skills could use a little boost. That's where mind mapping comes in. It's like a secret weapon for your brain, helping you organize thoughts, generate ideas, and tackle problems with finesse. But before we dive into the top 3 mind mapping tools, let me give you a quick overview of mind mapping. First, if you're new here, I'm Anshul Kumar, and I'm passionate about unlocking your creative potential. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our creative adventures. Alright, let's jump into it. Mind mapping is a visual technique that allows you to organize and connect ideas non-linearly. It starts with a central idea or concept in the center of your page or screen, and from there, you branch out with related ideas, connecting them with lines and keywords. It's like creating a roadmap for your thoughts. Let's discuss the first mind mapping tool on our list, MindMeister. It's an online platform that's perfect for collaboration. You can work on mind maps in real time with your team, making it ideal for group projects or brainstorming sessions. Here are the top 5 features of MindMeister. Real-time collaboration. MindMeister excels in team collaboration. Multiple users can simultaneously work on the same mind map. Perfect for brainstorming sessions, project planning, or group discussions. Cross-platform accessibility. MindMeister is a cloud-based tool accessible from a web browser, making it compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Versatile templates and styles. MindMeister provides a wide range of customizable templates and styles, allowing you to create visually appealing mind maps tailored to your needs. Integration with other tools. MindMeister integrates seamlessly with popular productivity tools like Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, Microsoft Teams, and Dropbox. This integration streamlines your workflow by enabling you to import, export documents, attach files, and collaborate within the tools you already use. Export and presentation options. MindMeister offers various export options, allowing you to share your mind maps with others in multiple formats, including PDF, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and more. Additionally, it has a presentation mode that turns your mind map into an interactive slideshow, making it easy to communicate your ideas effectively. Plus, it syncs seamlessly across devices to access your mind maps on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Next up, we have XMind. This tool is known for its simplicity and elegance. XMind offers a range of templates and styles to make your mind maps visually appealing and easy to understand. Its powerful brainstorming mode sets XMind apart, which helps you generate ideas effortlessly. It also allows you to export your mind maps in various formats, making it a versatile choice for sharing your work with others. In the free plan, users can insert notes, markers, stickers, hyperlinks, labels, and images into the topics. Users can also export the mind map as PNG and PDF with a watermark. Last but not least, let's talk about Coggle. Coggle is all about simplicity and speed. It's a web-based tool perfect for quick brainstorming sessions or when you need to organize your thoughts on the fly. This tech tool is particularly useful for brainstorming ideas for courses that require creative and critical thinking input from the learners themselves, as it facilitates free association and the linking of text, images, and video in one place to form rich resources for project work. It is particularly useful for brainstorming ideas for research projects. Coggle's real-time collaboration feature is a game changer, making working with others in real time easy. It also supports images and latex, which is fantastic for those who need to include complex equations or visuals in their mind maps. So, there you have it, folks. Mind mapping. A powerful tool to boost your creativity and problem-solving skills. Whether you choose MindMeister, XMind, or Coggle, these tools can help you organize your thoughts, generate ideas, and confidently tackle challenges. But don't stop here. Dive deeper into the world of mind mapping. Try these tools, explore their features, and see which resonates with your unique style. And of course, share your mind map success stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss an episode on my channel. Until next time, keep mind mapping, stay creative, and keep problem solving like a champ.